Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be introducing you to the Vauxhall Combo panel van. Like all our vehicles, this van has undergone 128 inspection points by AA and it's covered under their warranty for the first 3 months, plus you get roadside assistance included for the first year with a single call-out. You can obviously extend both warranty and roadside assistance here at the dealership. This specific exemplar comes in the long wheelbase configuration and the Sportive trim level. It's equipped with color-coded front and rear bumpers, electrically adjustable mirrors, twin sliding door, barn-style opening doors at the back, and parking sensors fitted over the rear bumper. The back has been fully ply lined and you have a full metal bulkhead as well, plus a lighting fixture over the roofline and 6 anchorage points over the floor. Size-wise, it's 122 centimeters between the wheel arches, 118 centimeters at the lowest point of the roof, and 207 centimeters of fully usable length over the floor. The cabin is in a 2-seat configuration with a fully adjustable driver's seat, both of them finished in fabric, and the dashboard is fitted with multiple storage solution with a locked glove box compartment in front of the passenger and one in front of the driver. The multifunction steering wheel is finished in satin as part of the Sportive trim level and is adjustable both in height and depth, and houses the controls for cruise control with speed limiter, infotainment, voice commands and calls. The automatic headlights can be controlled through the dial on the right hand side of the driver, and on the armrest you have the controls for the power windows and power mirrors. For the infotainment you have a DAB radio with Bluetooth capability and USB to read any storage for MP3 and WMA formats. Underneath you can find the air conditioning plus the toggle for the heated mirrors and a toggle for the electronic stability program. The vehicle is fitted with a 5-gear manual transmission. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Vauxhall Combo panel van. For any inquiries, feel free to contact us.